sell shares of GME nakedly and then hedge that sale with an options contract from Wolverine with delta equal to the shares sold nakedly. Wolverine could then hedge that contract with another options contract with delta neutrality from, say, a hedge fund called Shitty Dell. If this trade ecosystem is between those three parties, they've magicked shares out of thin air without producing a legitimate share that is never has to be delivered because the derivatives can be rolled indefinitely. However, all three parties are naked short the stock as a result. Each of them have a margin obligation debt equal to the shares sold naked in the first place. As long as the equilibrium is maintained, no money changes hands and nothing needs to be satisfied. So retail, buying options, upsets this equilibrium. If there is a catalyst to move the price, this is the crux of Girk's options discussion. To put this in perspective, if Citadel, Shitty Dell, and Wolverine are all leveraged 3 to 1 and the options contracts are priced to give leverage 10 to 1, retail buying an option would put 3 times 3 times 3 times 10 pressure on their aggregate margin, which is being provided by the banks who are also prime brokers. Let's call our example prime JPM. JPM can see their balance sheet through their membership in the stock trading club called the DTCC and can then see that retail has put 270 times pressure on our human centipede's balance sheet. Shit, someone's margin is getting pressured, and JPM would be on the hook if Shitty Dell dies. So to protect their exposure, JPM goes out and buys calls to cover their exposure. But they don't buy one call, that only gives 10 to 1 leverage. They have to buy 27 calls if it's their money that has been borrowed, and if they executed Shitty Dell's trade. Yep, that's a more complex rundown than I generally give, but yes. That is accurate, Dunxton. It's from the Discord. I can... Nah. The only way a broker can sell your shares... I mean, you can sue them if they do that. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to clip that. Fuck, I don't know when it started.